This is a review for the Rugged Geek RG1000S portable jump starter and power supply and more. Let me show you what this thing can do. Alright, so it comes with this really cool carrying case, you can see. So when you open it up, it's got this top zippered area which you can store stuff. It's got an old cigarette accessory type plug, little plug into it. It's got one of these kind of pigtail say I think they call them. Connectors if you have that on your vehicle and you need to jump or charge or anything else. It's got this USB-C to USB. Then the main case, you've got your battery power pack. You've got some different type of inflators for the air compressor that's right here. You've got this USB car charger. You've got this other type of charger here just for the wall so you can charge. So it's got all kinds of goodies, and let's show you how it works. It will jump start your car. It will inflate your car tire. It will inflate a basketball or any type of ball. Or a pool toy at the beach or the pool. It'll charge a phone. And finally, a couple other things I like is it's got a really, hence the name Rugged. It's kind of got this tread design on the sides of it, which I like, but it's a really kind of rubbery, rugged case with a carrying handle. And finally, when you turn it on, it's got a light as well up here. If you hold down the button, it'll come on, and it'll blink and do different things if you need it to, stuff like that. So it does those things as well. As you can see, it's very versatile. It'll do a lot of different things, and I keep one in all my vehicles. And anytime I need to do anything, like I showed you, it's there, it works. It lasts a long time on a charge. I've taken it to amusement parks too and charged phones as I'm, going around. I don't have any place to plug my phone in. So it'll do all kinds of things, and I keep them in all my vehicles. In this underneath compartment on this vehicle is where I store this one. And it's good to give you peace of mind to know if you have a flat tire, if you need to jump start your car, if you need to charge, if you need to blow up an inflatable, a ball, everything I showed you, it'll do that and more. So check it out, the Rugged Geek RG1000S.